Hi parents, meet the VOCUFU Baby Playpen, a spacious 50 by 50-inch safe play yard perfect for babies and toddlers. Its sturdy 5mm carbon steel frame is 67% thicker than most, ensuring maximum durability and safety. The playpen features large suction cups that keep it stable on smooth surfaces, preventing any accidental tipping. With breathable mesh panels all around, you get a clear 360-degree view to watch your little one play comfortably. Assembly is quick and easy, taking just 3 minutes with simple connectors and tubes. The removable cloth cover makes cleaning a breeze, and the compact fold design is perfect for storage. This playpen offers a secure space for your child to explore while giving you peace of mind and free hands. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.